Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to another video of Lunch and Learn. I'm Jamie Michael Joseph, Successful Business Marketing, and today being Tuesday, we are going to talk about tools. So tools that can help you with your marketing, make the whole job a lot easier, and maybe look at those areas that, will just push you on from where you are and get that job done. So today we are going to talk about Google Trends and Google Alerts. So you're getting 2 for 1 in this video, but combining these is really good. It can really work for you. So Google Trends. Basically just type in Google Trends into Google. It will bring up the website to go to. So you just go to this site. And here you can search for anything that you want. So you can kind of look at something, if you were starting a business or starting some kind of product and you wanted to see if there was a demand for it, you could type this information into Google Trends and it will give you a whole list of data as in to how many people are searching for it. What's if it's on an upwards trend, if it's on a downwards trend, what's going on. To give you an example as well, so if you go to Google Trends and you type in Justin Bieber, for example, you will see that there's kind of nothing really happening, and all of a sudden there's a big spike, and then from then it's just been going down and down to where now it kind of looks like his days are over. But if you typed in, say, vegan, it's totally the opposite. So if you go back 20 years, there wasn't, let's say 20 years internet. So as you went back 10 years, there's nothing really being said about it. No one's really searching vegan diet and stuff like that, or hardly anybody are. Whereas you go to now 2019 and it's through the roof, and you can see that upward trend happening. So if you were looking at, say you were in nutrition and you were really big into the whole kind of vegan diet and you wanted to do a product or some sort of course around the vegan diet, when it actually looks pretty good. I mean, obviously, as soon as there's trends, you're going to get competition, but at least there's a demand for it. If lots of people are in a particular area, it means that there's customers in the area as well. And then obviously you have Google Alerts. So Google Alerts, you can set this up. You can put in a keyword into Google Alerts, and you can ask it to notify you when this phrase is mentioned anywhere, within the news, any kind of websites and stuff like that. And what happens with Google Alerts, think of it as, a bit of a news platform. So anything that's going on, it will trigger if your keyword is triggered, it will send you an email. So you'll get an email to say, this word was mentioned in the BBC article on such and such. So just say, for instance, you could use this for, if you were health and safety, or, if you were, say, I don't know, an accountant or something like that, is you could put keywords into there. So as soon as something's mentioned in the news, you would get a notification that this has been mentioned. You could then share this onto social media, giving your view on it. You could write a blog around it. But it's that information that is coming through really quickly, and you will get ahead of most of the people in your industry, your competitors, because people aren't doing this. Okay, people aren't spending the time to getting that information and being on top of it, and then being seen as an expert and an authority figure on the topic, on the industry that you're in. They just kind of tick along with, posting normal stuff, where this way you can get your foot ahead of the game. So look, I hope that helps. Google Trends, Google Analytics, go and check them out, see what you think of them. They may work for you, they may not, but it will definitely give you an advantage over other people that are not using them if you have a little look at using them. So look, I hope that helps. I'll catch you tomorrow in the Wednesday video where we're going to look at websites. This one's a good one, so make sure you check it out. I'll see you then.